Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by signing in with your Microsoft account and confirming the app is up to date. This prevents missing features. Next, test mic and camera and device settings so audio and video are reliable. Once done, schedule in the calendar or join immediately using the meeting link or code. Choose your audio option, computer or phone, and set lobby rules to control attendees. These first steps save time and keep the meeting professional from the start. You now manage the meeting flow. Mute participants to reduce background noise and use raise hand for orderly discussion. When you share, pick screen, window, or PowerPoint. Grant presenter writes only when needed so controls stay secure. Once the core session runs, launch breakout rooms for focused work and enable live captions for accessibility. Also start recording if you need a record. Make sure attendees are informed. These controls let you run a smooth, inclusive meeting. To finish, stop the recording and choose End Meeting for everyone so resources release and participants don't linger. Then save or download the transcript and share the recording and chat notes through the meeting chat or OneDrive so absent colleagues can catch up. If you need follow-up, assign action items in the chat. Troubleshooting tip: if audio fails, switch input/output devices, rejoin the meeting, or use the dial-in phone option as a reliable backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.